Hi guys, Bubbly Dina here and welcome back to my channel. You have watched my previous video on how my room looks like, and so for this vlog, I'm gonna show you how my daily routine, my morning, my afternoon, and how my school looks like, and a lot more. So please stay tuned and keep watching. So here's what I usually do in the morning. Good morning guys, today is Friday and gaawan-uwan karon even though summer. Usually in the morning, of course, manglakas jud no. Normally I take a bath before going to school, so around mga 10 around that time. For the meantime, manual lang sa ako. So actually guys, around 4 a.m. masyak na lang ka. Hayag na kayo. Here, while in the summer, longer days siya. Then, shorter night. So, alas 4, hayag na. Patindugay kay mong gabi around 7:30. Usap pa siya mong ngit-ngit. And so, muna siya. And so, kay sayuman mo hayag dire, instead of turning on my lights, kay dako sa naman ang asuga, I'll just open my window. Charan! Lahi-lahi lang ko position kung asa ko mukhaon guys. No, ano ko lang misa diri. Importante di magutman, di ba? Di ba? And then rice is life. Nagpalit ko rice. Rice akong unang ipalit diri sa Japan. Kaya rice is life, Jud. I don't have any jobs yet for now. So probably maybe in 3 weeks or in a month or so. I hope month lang max no wala ko work, and so hopefully by next I have work already. So the thing is, morning free ko, afternoon klase ko. So that's how my first week here looks like. Maglakaw ra ko and then mag-video lang ko, and I'm gonna show you the place padung sa akong eskwelahan, so that you can also see what it's like diri sa akong place here in Tochigi Prefecture. So I'm just kinda reviewing. Today is Friday and naglakaw lang ko kay uwan man kayo diri. Guys, lahi kay bisag unsa pa na kamingaw, as long as red light na siya is di jud ka pwede mo labang. Grabe ka disiplinado ang mga tao diri. And then di po kapatakag hunong ilang mga sakyanan na ay station kung asa mo hunong. Under construction, but limpyo gyapon kayo siya. Gihangak na ko kay almost 15 minutes na ko galakaw. Gauwan diri pero gatuto na akong sinot. guys, so amazing. Ipapilit rin siya sa floor niya. Nice na kay design yung floor. Guys, but hayag lang gihapon. Guys, if you would notice, puros na bike, puros bike. O, di ba? Puros bike. It's because sa mga tao dere, bisag worse na magbike gihapon. Nadakan kay bike, di ba? Puros na bike, bike parking area. Karon wala ko gabay kay gauwan man, and then wala ko raincoat. Lapatay. Nasaag na ko kabawasan. Wait sa, labang sa ko. Tayo ko gilagbangan sa flyover. Ay, nasa ningadaan, pero daghan niya kong bike, diba? Puros jud mang gibike ang mga tao diri. And then gihangak na ko. Take pa og maybe 7 minutes akong paglakaw. My place is also near 7-Eleven and other stores. Kapuya. And so guys, I just got home. Agay, puya eh. Gutuma eh. Tadaima! I'm home. Kapuya yo. And so that was my Friday. My Friday was kind of a bit exciting because in our class, we went to Tonari. It's kind of like a mall with almost all stuff are there. And then I also passed the JR station, which I was really amazed kay sa libro ra na ako nakitaan before, and then kining ko'y pa nga drawing. And the reason why we were at Tonari, it's because our topic is kaimuno, or in English it means shopping. We were given a task to ask what floor is that stuff can be bought, kung asa mapalit, and then for how much. We should ask in Japanese, Nihongo. And that was quite a challenge. Challenge ko nuhay sa among lesson. After class, I really went back to JR station and to Tonari. Tonari? Di ko sure sa pronunciation. And so guys, maybe you can say nga, wow, ka-nice ni mo na naka sa Japan. But guys, you cannot say that because we all have different struggles. And sometimes we just see the tip of the iceberg. We don't really see what lies under it. What are the things that we need to sacrifice and to risk. So inana man jud na sa, if you really want something that you want to achieve, maybe there are a lot of things na risk siya, but push lang, laban lang. A lot of struggles which I didn't show because the good things you see are my way to push and encourage and to inspire you. So going back on how my week looks like, so pag Monday ato is gikuha ko ni Nakamura-san. Nakamura-san pick me up because there's something I need to register sa City Hall. I'm not sure if something to do with the address, I think. The City Hall process is quick. Lahi rajud. And so for afternoon, that was when my class started, my first day of class. The class starts at 1 p.m. and then ends at 4:30 p.m. I met my classmates on the very first day, and then gipaila-ila ko sa kapinay younger age sa ako and gikuyugan ko niya pagpalit og bike. I'm not sure if you're watching this Regar, but if you are, arigato gozaimasu. So mo din akong bike. second day, Tuesday, is the most busy day and the most stressful day for me sa akong entire week. It's because second day, I have to go to school alone by myself. And the thing is, I'm not yet familiar yet with the place. And I'm also using my bike, though it's convenient. But the fact that I'm not yet familiar yet, Google Maps all the way, all day long. Struggle is real. I need to be at school in the morning because we need to go to the bank. I need to purchase a SIM card, and then I need to have an orientation. It's 10:30 and in a few minutes we'll having an orientation. We will have orientation about do's and don'ts here in Japan and also proper waste disposal method. For Wednesday, I'm still struggling with the directions, but at least I'm a bit familiar na sa lugar sa, and then I'm still using Google Maps for Wednesday. Minasan, konnichiwa. Today, niadto ko og Daiso. Charan, anak ko kutsilyo for 100 yen. Diba, ang nakuha kay Hafra ani? Balik na po din ako. So tipid. So, let's go. Today is Thursday and I can say nga karon dili na ko magamit og Google Maps and I'm so very familiar na sa place. Achievement. I arrived in Japan on July 8. That was Friday and it was around 10 in the evening that I arrived at my place. In the morning, my first morning, I had to find a nearest store in my place to buy rice kay gutom na jud ko. Paulit na ko guys. Kapag ko og hugas kaha. So guys, those were all my days and my moments on my very first week here in Japan. So please stay tuned for a lot of videos that I'll be sharing soon enough. Don't just watch, please also subscribe if you have something to share. Please do leave a comment down below. See you next time.